Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at this assortment of all kinds of hooks from Parkside. I think I bought them from Lidl, but most likely they can also be found in Kaufland, and I want to install some of my tools on the wall. So I thought that for some of them hooks like this are actually perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna take them out of the box and see how I can use them. So I've got some doubles, I won't be showing those, but these ones, example bicycle wheel or the whole bicycle, depends on what you need. Feel free to read all the info right here. I'm going to go through them a bit fast because basically at the end of the day they are just some hooks, but they might come real handy tidying things up around here. This is the size at least for this particular model, and these bigger ones, 22 kilograms load on these ones. For these ones, oh, also 25. Okay, even more interesting. Something like this, you can hang on to them. So even supplies. And I think they were about 4 euros a box or something like that, or even less. Anyway, saw them, got them. So let me open them up and start installing them, and then I will show you how they actually perform, because what else can I show you? Open that type up. So 6 of them, also installed for brick and cement walls, which is perfect. Yes, also instructions, not going to be reading those. And obviously I have one more of the same pack, so 12 in total. Opened up this one also and completely forgot there are actually 4 of them, so that's absolutely perfect. And again, with everything that you need, we'll be throwing these away. Let me see in here. 2 packs, so I have 4 of those in total also. Cool. Drilled the holes, 6mm holes. I'm going to put the plastic plugs in, and now obviously we can put the second plastic plug in. Forgot about this one. We can screw the support in with the included screws, and it's perfectly fine, and honestly it's really freaking strong. I really like these things, and for the money that I paid, great deal. Ta-da! Installed, holding perfectly, and now they are holding this up on the wall. It's freaking great. Installed one of the double ones. This only has 2 screws, and yes, I bent it the way I needed it for this thing to stay perfectly straight. These supports are awesome. Just as an idea, the material in these things is thicker than in these ones. So actually, if you put 2 of these together for a certain tool, they can hold a bigger weight than a single one of these. And the same material thickness is in this one like in these ones. So this is the thinnest. Change the situation here a little bit. Now I have this fan on it, and I need to patch up those holes. This is also held in place. That thingy, that one no. And these 2. So the hooks come in really handy, and as you can see, you can actually bend them for various situations depending on your needs. Here I also have the single hook variant, so it depends a lot on the shape of the tool and its center of mass on how it will actually stay on a single hook or 2 hooks. And also single hooks are really nice for workshop clothing. So yeah, and honestly that's about it for this video. These things are really freaking strong. Yes, you can bend them if you need to, but by themselves, just by hanging something onto them, they will not bend. And yeah, nothing more to say. They are good. For the price, they are freaking awesome. The fasteners included are also really good. And yeah, that's about it for this video. So hope it helps you. In which case, please give it a like. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. And maybe subscribe, that also helps a lot. Bye.